most insane tornadoes I've ever seen. All right, dude, let's go get closer. Actually, you know, I don't even think we need to. It's right there. Got debris. Okay, all right, let me get your picture. Yeah, that's crossing right where we were. Oh my God, where's Connor? Yeah, we can go down. We can go down 23. We can go down 23 and get closer to it. You want to go?
Want to?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's try at least.
Look at little funnel trying to come down.
Yeah. Let's get west. Funnel coming down, right up above us. Wow. Holy crap! This thing's gonna be close, dude. Here.
Funnel coming down. I just go past them. The trees.
See, that's just I'm gonna go. Holy crap! Oh, it's got two.
Yep, there it is.
Funnel's right above us, straight up. I know. Oh, it's coming down! It's... Oh, it's about to condensate fully now.
It's about to do it all the way.
I could probably go around this corner if you wanted to try it.
Yeah, we could. I want to get this thing when it comes all the way down really quick, and then we're good to go.
Okay.
If you don't mind.
No, that's totally fine.
Yep. Look there. Look there. It is.
This is crazy.
Yep. Look, you can see it spiral.
Yeah, there it goes. There
There it is. It's all the way down. Yep. You can see it in there.
There it is. It's down. It's down. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I've always wanted to do this. I'm hoping my mom's going to answer real fast. Please answer. Please answer. Please answer. Please answer.
Holy cranky, DL.
Look at this. We're like, it's like 1,000 yards. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. That's so beautiful.
This is one of the most insane tornadoes I've ever seen. All right, dude, let's go get closer. Actually, you know, I don't even think we need to. It's right there.
Okay.
All right, I just want to show you this live.
Thank you. Love you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Look, there it is.
Dude, it's just sitting there. It's just sitting there. I feel like we should go over there a little bit.
It is.
It's fully down.
Oh my goodness.
I hope to God you guys are in focus right now. crossing the road. It's moving now.
Yep, it's gonna cross.
It's on the road right now. Freddy's in it right now. Look at it violent on the ground. It's just on the road. Oh my God. Got debris.
Vince is in there too.
Vince is outside. Oh my God. Oh, we gotta be careful this thing doesn't back up on us.
Yeah, you're no joking about that.
Look at the vortices on the ground. That's violent on the ground.
That's why I'm zooming in on right there.
Connor's out of the car. Sorry, Alex.
Look, the funnel is still there. It's not as.
It's backing up. It's backing up towards us right now. Oh shit! I'm gonna get stuck.
I want to go outside and get a video of that really quick.
All right.
Just like he's doing. You know,
Straight up, funnel straight up.
Can I do that?
Yeah. Yeah, go for it. Just be careful of debris. On the ground, right there. Look at that. Oh my God.
We're good. We're good to go.
Let's go forward.
Let's go forward a little bit. Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at it. Oh, look at that! Look at the rope. I can't tell if it's in focus or not. Oh, it's lifting. No. Maybe? No, it's not.
Say we can have a play at this.
Signs down. I feel like it's out of focus. I might rip this tree out of the ground right here.
I got him. They're over there pointed at it. You guys see this?
Vortices, look at the
lightning. Do you see the lightning?
I can't even see the funnel. It's literally on top of us right now.
Oh, it's just a little skinny guy. Yep.
Still on the ground right there. Definitely still on the ground. I got it. It's okay. I got it. I'm looking straight up into it. He's dead? Okay, I got it. Got the tree falling on our heads here. Dude! He's coming back. gloves. Big hail. Dude! It's strong on the ground again. Violent vortices on the ground. Wow, that was a horrible voice crack. Violent vortices on the ground. CG! I do not regret not going to Minnesota now. Yeah. Okay, all right, let me get your picture. I got it. Oh, it's getting more violent off the ground too.
Yep, you can see it. Alright, so someone, I mean, you haven't been recording, you know that, right? Oh yes, you have.
With the dot is recording.
Going back north the way.
Not good now?
Yeah.
There you guys go, look at that. You're the only one that can get video from your phone.
I gotcha.
If you want to use mine, go ahead.
This is swings up 49. This is the best one I have ever seen. It swings up pretty damn high. How do you start hucking down? It is hucking down. Big hail coming in. There's hail coming.
Yep.
You guys see this thing? Look at the motion in there.
Oh, it's drifting back. I can't believe this.
Just trust the forecast, okay? Just trust the forecast.
Why is the windshield gotta be cooked on the day all day?
Well, that's it. We're buying a new camera. Just that this stupid thing can't get in focus on one of the most incredible tornadoes we'll ever see, then we got a problem.
Right.
Here, hold on. Back up just a smidge. I'm gonna get on this road and I'm gonna do my video.
Okay.
I don't want to step in this and get tick infestation. Oh.
Tell me when we need to move, I'll buckle.
There's a lot of hail, but
Yeah, there is.
I'm willing to take the chance. It's gonna pass just to our north.
trees holding on for dear life.
Oh, what the heck?
Careful, Freddy!
Look at the motion.
Dude, it's gonna cross that road to the south. We can go. The one to the south, the one that goes east. We can get next to it if we want. Lightning in it.
Just
Look at the rainbow.
awesome
We got
to
the
see that
rainbow in the
everybody's
shot.
scoring tornadoes today, and it couldn't be a better day.
I know you're gonna hate me, but I do feel like we need to move. Probably. Do we need to move, guys?
I don't know what we're doing. Wait, what? You think it'll be that close?
I believe so, probably.
I think it'll pass just in front of him.
I feel like it's coming back this way.
I don't know what the heck he's doing.
Yeah, these power lines about to come down. Yeah, that's crossing right where we were. Oh my God, where's Connor? Strong RFD. Strong RFD. Freddie, do you know where is Connor on the other side of it?
I don't know where Connor is.
You good up there, Freddie?
Yeah, I've got pole snapped. It's doing a truncated tone here.
Copy that. I got lines down.
Holy cow.
Holy shit, where is Connor, dude?
Yep, look at the farm equipment. It is tossed.
Yeah. I smell something.
Manure.
Okay.
I smell it too.
Yeah. You just said how Connor's alright. I'm just trying to give a clear image for him.
You're perfectly fine. You're doing great. They're trying to rope out.
That's if it is, we need to be careful.
I think it is roping out.
Freddie, I think it's roping out. We got to be careful on the rope out. It could be whapping up against us here.
Yeah, you got that right. Gotta be really careful. It might include really fast.
I can't. Hold on. Can you lean back because I can't see out your mirror? Okay, I think we're all right here.
Yeah. I see some isolated big hail in here.
Yeah, it's starting to rope out. Yeah, she's roping out. It's still on the ground though. Look at the rope out on the ground.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, actually. Let's see. Okay. Once I know it's clear, I'm gonna go up there because
I think you're clear.
okay.
I don't even see
Trees are stripped.
I don't even see much in the way of rotation
Okay.
above us right now. Hold on, guys. We gotta go check on our.
It's still down. It's still down.
You still see it?
Yep.
Where?
You see the dust? There it is. There it is. Still down. Still down.
Sorry, I just can't see because it's so dark. I literally cannot see. We know it's in front of us, guys. We just don't know where.
Yep. Still. See the funnel? It's coming back down. It's coming back down. Funnel's coming back down. Portion of it. I think it's gonna do that thing where it just ropes out all the way down. How's it going?
I think that was 5 wins easy in there.
Yeah, it started. I was sitting right where it crossed it. I was like, I think that's starting to shoot east or west.
That thing is all over the place.
Yeah. Okay, we were trying to figure out, is that ground scarring up there or was it just like that?
Probably ground scarring.
Yeah.
There wasn't a house here or anything, huh?
I saw all the trees and I was worried there was going to be something right there. It tossed something way back that way, but it just looked like farm equipment. So.
Oh, it's still.
Yeah, no, it's still, it won't die completely.
It was still out there.
Yeah.
I'll drive up there.
Yeah, sounds good. Barbed wire, be careful.